Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My dear husband needed a new lightweight jacket that he could wear on chilly nights and something that he could just wear to the office because it gets a little cold in there. And both of us adore this jacket from SAVKOOV. I personally love how well it fits him and how good he looks in it. He likes the lightweight material and comfort and how easy it is to throw on and go about his day. We both really like the waffle pattern design and the way he can move around comfortably in it, even though he has broad shoulders and arms. The stitching in the jacket is very strong and durable, and I love the material that the cuffs and the collar is made out of. I know this jacket is going to last him for years to come. It has a nifty little side pocket, great for putting earbuds or your cell phone, and all of the zippers are sturdy and easy to zip. This jacket comes in so many different colors and sizes from small to 5X, so I'm sure that you're going to find the one that's perfect for you. So if you're looking to jazz up your wardrobe a little bit, then I highly recommend this wonderful jacket from SAVKOOV. And that's my point of view.